ready to do my own blonde highlights, and I will be using Creme of Nature. And I'm actually trying two different blondes. I'm doing the honey blonde and I'm doing the ginger blonde. In the ginger blonde, I parted my hair in 4 sections. I probably won't do this part on camera just because I haven't used the box dye in my hair in years. And a long story to why I'm trying this I'll tell you guys either later on in this video. But just so you know, I did touch up my roots myself, which is also the first time with a more professional color. And I used the High Color Blondes for Dark, L'Oreal Techniques High Color Blondes for Dark Hair Only. And I used the Vanilla Champagne color. Originally, I was going to use this to give myself some really, really bright highlights, but my hair did not take at all using this. And I used a 30 Developer. Now, my roots did take, but as you can see, it's not that light, so obviously that's not blonde. And granted, I do have gel in the front of my hair, which tends to make your hair look darker, but I can promise you this did not take. So I wanted something more extreme. I did tons of reviews, or sorry, tons of research on which box dye I wanted to give a try. Creme of Nature has an awesome series of different videos of people who have used their colors and different techniques they've tried. Again, I'm going to give myself highlights. My hair was previously professionally colored, so this is my first time ever using a box dye on my already colored hair, so I'm really, really, really nervous. I also have a low porosity hair. And I did the porosity test not too long ago, and some of my strands sank to the bottom, so I almost feel like I have high and low porosity hair. That's a whole nother video. But as you can see, this is what color my hair is now. And again, when I touched up my roots, that's all I did was my roots. I didn't drag it down. There's only a few pieces of my hair that I tried to give myself like just a few highlights only in the front, but it didn't work out. So again, I'm using both of these. I'm not mixing them together. I'm gonna make this concoction. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. I've never gave myself highlights before. So I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm scared. So we'll see. So I may come back and show you guys. Another thing to remember, I only touched up the front of my hair, but I don't want to say ever, because this is, again, the first time I use professional color in my hair, but I'd like it better leaving this part like black, because whenever I would get my hair lightened, it looks like I don't have edges, and I'm like, ain't nobody got time to be looking like I don't have no edges. I might try to find a picture of one time I had this picture taken of me from the side, and I had just freshly got my hair done, and it literally looked like my hair started from like back here because this was so bright. I did not do my roots in the back because I'm probably gonna have someone else do that for me because I can't see, or maybe I'll just take my time and do that probably in front of a mirror. I don't know yet, but right now, focus on the highlights. This will not touch my scalp. This will not touch my scalp. This is just gonna be like the ends of my hair. So the very worst, if it falls out, it's not that big of a deal. Pretty much did ombre in the back and random highlights throughout my hair. I didn't touch like a lot of my roots, obviously, because I told you guys it just touched up the front of my hair. But like little random side pieces. I feel the back already starting to even, not itch, but feel. So heat makes it intensify a little bit more. So it's looking really good. I'm liking it so far. Okay, so I'm going to try to let it sit for a little bit longer. I keep checking on it because my hair has already been colored before, so obviously it's going to process a little differently. So I just keep checking on it. It did also come with conditioning treatment and some oil. So, with instructions as well. It did not come with shampoo, so that's kind of a bummer. I always like to use the shampoo that comes with the box, but not the end of the world. I have tons of shampoo. So I'm just going to use probably some cheap shampoo and then follow up with like a better shampoo, and then I'll use their packets of conditioner, let it sit in my hair for about 15 minutes, and then also their oil treatment, which I accidentally popped the top of this one off. So this is their ARGAN oil treatment. So we'll see. I'll stay tuned, let you guys know. So this is obviously keeping the heat in, so I'll let you guys know how much is left. So pretty much right here, this is the honey blonde, and this is the other one right here. So looks like I used more of this than I did this, which originally I was trying to do the opposite, but alright. Ooh. So I just rinsed out my hair, washed it, rinsed it, and then I applied the Creme of Nature, their conditioner that came with it. So far the conditioner smells amazing, but it didn't give me an awesome slip, which is fine. I just wanted to use everything that they recommended. And they also, the oils that I showed you earlier, I used one of them and put it in with this, and then I'll go ahead and apply it after I style my hair. But I did want to let you guys know something. And then I used the ginger blonde. So I kind of knew this once I saw the packet, but I was trying to be maybe naive. So prior to me doing this, my stylist did not use bleach to lighten my hair. It was a slow process, but she did not use bleach. So when I was mixing the formula for the ginger blonde, it came with this blonding powder for the ginger blonde packet. And I kind of figured, I wonder if this is bleach. And instead of researching it, since I had already mixed the formula, I was just like, oh well. So I didn't use all of it, but this is pretty much how much I have left in. And I think it was filled up to like maybe here. So pretty much I used maybe 3/4 of this. And it just says blonding powder for ginger blonde. So how I kind of figured this was bleach is because when I took this cap off the first time, when the color was still in there, and I was just kind of doing this to see how my hair felt and looked. I don't know if you guys have ever used bleach before, but you know when you touch it and it gets on your skin and it starts burning and it does that little white? It's kind of going away now, so you can't really see it. So yeah, I guess I have bleach in my hair now. And I used to like pridefully always say, I don't have no bleach in my hair. Oh, but how'd you get your color so pretty? Gonna ask my stylist, but now can't say that anymore because I'm pretty sure I have bleach in my hair. And I take that back. This morning I went to Google it, and I literally Googled Creme of Nature. Does Creme of Nature box dye for naturals or whatever have bleach? And I found nothing. Nothing. The only thing I found is that they're ammonia free, which is awesome, but that was it. So I'm gonna let this sit. Obviously you can see the steam, which is good because my scalp is hot. But here's a little preview. It pretty much looks like it did before, just with more highlights, which is exactly what I wanted. I wasn't trying to do anything drastic like the box. I just wanted a combination of blonde highlights. I would only recommend this for people who take care of their hair, because if you don't regularly deep condition your hair, do not use a box dye. If you don't have a hair regimen, do not use a box dye. Like, you have to be on top of it. In fact, my friend who normally does my hair, she's a professional stylist, she hates box dyes, and she's given me so many different formulas if I wanted to color my hair, but I got lazy and I wanted quick results, so I did a box dye. So I hope I don't ever regret this. So alright guys, thanks for watching.